If you've ever had a green day, but at the end of the day, you lost all your profits and had to give it back to the market, this video is for you. And the problem is that it's probably not you, but it's a strategy that's physically limiting you every single day. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why trading less makes more money, while trading one candle every single day can lead you to profitability, and why a lot of people lose on their green days. Alright, welcome guys to the charts, and you guys can clearly see this is the 10 AM AMD model strategy that I trade every single day inside my Discord. We accumulate, we manipulate, and we distribute. And this is actually a live example of a trade I actually took for about 3.67R. Now, my purpose and goal in this video is to help you align the 10 AM 4-hour candle with the higher time frame and looking to get entries in that opportunity of window. Before I forget, I trade the strategy live every single day in front of my Discord, and if you guys want to join that, I have a free trial going on for 7 days. So if you want to join in, there's no upfront payment or anything like that. You guys can just click the first link in the description, trade live with me, take my AMD course, and see if you improve and learn my model. So now going back to the strategy, I'm looking to do 4 things with the 10 AM AMD model. So in the 10 AM AMD model, we're trading one candle, which is the 10 AM 4-hour candle every single day, right? As you guys clearly know, that the 10 AM 4-hour candle opens up every single day. If we go to the 4-hour chart, you guys can clearly see, right, we open up this 10 AM 4-hour candle at the bottom. You guys can clearly see every single day. So we have a 2 AM candle, we have a 6 AM candle, and we have a 10 AM candle for futures. I think it's 9 AM for, CFDs and Forex. The reason the 10 AM 4-hour candle actually works is because 10 AM is a key opening of that 4-hour candle during the New York Stock Exchange. And as you guys know, at 9:30 AM Eastern, the stock exchange actually opens up, but we don't have any key openings until 10 AM. So this 10 AM candle is probably the most important opening in all of New York AM session, and that's why we we look to use it in our trading. So you guys might be wondering, what actually is the 10 AM AMD model? So as we clearly know, the 4-hour candle opens up every single day at 10 AM. That's the 4-hour candle that opens up during the New York Stock Exchange in the AM session. So that's what we want to look after, and we're going to be taking this kind of setup every single day to make sure it's consistent. And the reason we do that is because the 10 AM 4-hour candle has 4 characteristics on the higher time frame that happen every single day. And those 4 things pretty much are: the 10 AM 4-hour candle has an opening price, it has a low, it has a high, and it has a close. Now, pretty much that is a candle body dynamic. And if we use this on the lower time frame, we can imagine some sort of structure that looks like this, where price opens up at this point, right at 10 AM. It creates a low, right, which is this bottom wick. Then we create the high, right, through some structure like this. And we have the closure. Now, what does this look like every single day? This is an accumulation. This is the manipulation, which creates the low of that 10 AM 4-hour candle. We have to create the body of that 10 AM 4-hour candle. So what do? We attack the opposing side of drawn liquidity right here. And what else is the last 2 steps? It's creating the top wick of that 10 AM 4-hour candle, and it's the closure. So this is the closure right here. This is the top wick, this is the bottom wick, and this is the opening price. So we can label this framework in 3 different ways on the lower time frame. So first off, we have an accumulation right here. This is going to be the accumulation, where price just accumulates after the 10 AM candle opens up, creating this opening price. Now, usually it takes about 15 to 20 minutes to accumulate, but it might take longer or shorter. But we usually create some sort of higher time frame liquidity down below. And what I'm looking for is price to manipulate into a higher time frame PD array below the accumulation range low. So what I mean is, let's say we have a 15-minute fair value gap resting below the accumulation range, and we tap into this, area. I want price to manipulate there and have a reversal, creating the low of this 10 AM 4-hour candle in a valid area for price to reverse from. And what I mean is, we have this 1-minute accumulation. Then I want price to, let's say, tap into a 15-minute fair value gap and reverse off that area, because it is a significant and valid place for price to reverse off of, not like, oh, a random 1-minute fair value gap. We want to see higher time frame structure confirm the low of that 10 AM 4-hour candle. And of course, in a bearish example, it would be the high of that 10 AM 4-hour candle. But after that, we want to see, to confirm that price is continuing higher and reversing, is a change in the steady delivery above the accumulation range, high right here. So we want to see a market structure shift and a change in the steady delivery to confirm we're actually going to reverse. And this is where we're going to enter every single time, giving us that low, risk entry right here. And we'd always target, about 2R trading that 10 a.m. 4-hour candle or any higher time frame drawn liquidities that are significant in the market. And this is the amazing thing about this strategy, because we're trading the dynamic of a candle. This candle is going to print every single day in this way, and that's why the strategy is so consistent. And I'm telling you guys, once you have a consistent framework of something that's going to show up every single day, you'll have a consistent setup that shows up once a day or twice a day, right? That you can take every single time without worrying, oh, where's my entry going to be? Where's my exit going to be? Stuff like that. And especially trading off the fundamentals, that helps quite a bit. So let's break down an example using this strategy. And before I forget, make sure you guys get this indicator. It's the ICT higher time frame candles by 40 indicator that you guys can clearly see here. Make sure you guys have this selected, and make sure you have the 10 a.m. 4-hour candle selected as well, just to show you guys. If we go down to the lower time frame, it shows up the 10 a.m. 4-hour candle on the other side. This is a great reminder, so you guys can clearly see the 10 a.m. 4-hour candle even on the lower time frames. Let's say on the 5-minute, you guys can clearly see the higher time frame candle. So the 10 a.m. 4-hour candle opens up right here, and what do I notice immediately, right? Well, this is kind of a spoiler, but I see this 15-minute fair value gap resting above the 9:45 a.m. high. And this is pretty much what I'm looking for the manipulation, especially because we get a significant, we're clearly dumping, we're creating lower lows. Let's say lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, right? I'm anticipating price to create a lower low, like having a retracement right here. So we accumulate, we manipulate, creating a lower low, and then having a distribution. And we're taking advantage of price just accumulating, manipulating, and then continuing lower towards, wherever drawn liquidities we have down below. So marking out that 15-minute fair value gap is the first thing you guys are going to do every single time. And what do I clearly see here? So the 10 a.m. 4-hour candle just opens up, and you guys can clearly see we have this short, small accumulation where price doesn't do anything, right? Creates a lot of LR, low resistance liquidity, not tapping into this down, like tapping into this liquidity down below. So this would be our accumulation phase, right? So this is our accumulation. And because we have that 15-minute fair value gap that you want price to react off of, and of course you can't just take your trade off this 15-minute fair value gap. You need confirmation just in case price wants to reverse, right? And so what do I clearly see? I'm anticipating this to be a manipulation. So this is going to be a manipulation into that 15-minute fair value gap, and all we'd wait for is some lower time frame structure, to form inside of here, create some sort of SMT possibly, and then a change in the steady delivery to target these accumulation lows, and of course the liquidity resting down below on the higher time frame. So let's see if we actually get that here. So we get a sweep right here, and we get this candle body closure above the last series of down close candles right here. So this would be our change in the steady delivery level. We would pretty much take our position off of here because this confirms, right, these significant candle body closures. What does it confirm? It confirms that price wants to reverse, and we're showing a reaction off this 15-minute fair value gap, right? So if we look on the higher time frame, this kind of dumps, but we tap into this area, we create an internal high, and then we get a significant candle body closure on the lower time frame to confirm that price wants to go lower. This would be our entry. Let's see if we get tapped. We get tapped. And this is exactly what happens following that 10 a.m. AMD model. Let me show you guys some of the results I've had with this model. All right, so here are some personal results I've had with this model. This is all my accounts traded across all my prop firms, my live accounts and everything. And this is pretty much what it is. I have about a 65 to 75% win rate. We have a beautiful 2R risk to reward. And this is how my months go. We have losers, but our winners are substantially more, and they're more consistent. So this is pretty much, how the 10 a.m. AMD model works. It works to a perfection as long as you understand, consistency and understanding that your setup is going to show. You need patience and you need experience. And if you want to, fast track that, you can click the first link in the description and trade live with me every single day, or even not even every single day, but you can trade live with me for free for 7 days. So if you want to do that, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you guys next time for my next video.